I'm Ramon.
I'm Alex, and this is our AHS story.
She likes this.
My home is the hub. Everybody comes to my house, and I bake everything from scratch. And if anything happens to my stove, then there's no party at our house. When I needed the stove fixed, it was great to know that we have American Home Shield. It's only a matter of time before you're going to need it.
When we moved into our house, we replaced all of the appliances ourselves. And just knowing the cost of replacement is what convinced me to go with the home warranty. It's a wife's expense. When our AC broke down, our daughter called us and told us that the house was getting very warm. And I scheduled a service call through the American Home Shield app. They went and take care of it for us.
Knowing now that we have American Home Shield, it's helped me calm down a little, having a little peace of mind.
Don't worry.
Be warranty.